At what age can a child refuse to see a parent? When parents face custody and visitation disputes, emotions can run high, especially when a child resists spending time with the non-custodial parent. In New York, however, the law is clear. Both parents and the child must follow court-ordered visitation schedules until the child turns 18. This legal standard exists to ensure fairness and maintain the parent-child relationship. While a child's preferences may be taken into account as they mature, these do not override legal obligations unless significant safety or well-being concerns are present. New York courts emphasize that the custodial parent must actively encourage and facilitate visitation, even if the child is reluctant. However, situations such as abuse, neglect, or other harmful circumstances may prompt the courts to intervene and adjust visitation arrangements to prioritize the child's safety. New York law underscores the importance of meaningful relationships between children and both parents, even after divorce or separation. How courts address a child's refusal to see a parent. When a child refuses to see a parent, the courts investigate the underlying reasons. If the refusal stems from serious concerns like abuse, neglect, or unsafe living conditions, these claims are thoroughly examined. Evidence such as medical records, police reports, or testimony from professionals is often critical in these cases. For less severe issues, such as parental alienation or strained relationships, the court focuses on repairing the parent-child bond rather than modifying visitation orders. Judges may also conduct private interviews with the child to understand their perspective without parental influence. Courts take a balanced approach when considering a child's refusal. While older children's preferences are weighed more heavily, these preferences do not dictate outcomes if they conflict with the child's best interests or the need to maintain a meaningful relationship with both parents. Understanding legal requirements and the process until a child turns 18, court-ordered visitation schedules are binding. The custodial parent is required to facilitate compliance, even in the face of a child's reluctance. However, if valid concerns exist, the court may modify visitation. These changes might include supervised visits, therapeutic visitation sessions, or, in extreme cases, temporary suspension of visitation rights. Parents who fail to comply with court orders may face legal consequences. For custodial parents, non-compliance could result in fines, community service, or even jail time. Non-custodial parents who neglect scheduled visits may see reduced parenting time or be required to participate in supervised visitation. Addressing these matters effectively often requires legal guidance. For assistance with custody or visitation issues, contact Juan Luciano Divorce Lawyer. Located at 347 Fifth Avenue, STE 1003, New York, New York, 10016, and reachable at 212-537-5859. Their experienced team can help you navigate complex custody disputes and protect your parental rights.